Hi guys, welcome to my channel Imran Tech. Please subscribe and like. This is part 4. Today I will discuss about current affairs for RRB NTPC SBI SHC 2020. The first question is Statue of Unity has been included in the Shanghai Cooperation Organization 8 Wonders of SCO list. It is located in which country? Option 1 Gujarat, India. Option 2 New York, United States. Option 3 Beijing, China. Option 4 Tokyo, China. Option 5 none of these. The correct answer is option 1 Gujarat, India. The next question is which two countries will participate in annual joint exercise Shayok Kaijin? Option 1 United States and India. Option 2 Russia and India. Option 3 Japan and India. Option 4 Bangladesh and India. Option 5 none of this. The correct answer is option 3 Japan and India. The next question is name the organization that has developed a special class diesel high flash high speed diesel conforming to NATO, great for use in ships and vessels of Indian Army. Option 1 Oil India Limited. Option 2 Bharat Petroleum. Option 3 Indian Oil Corporation. Option 4 Hindustan Petroleum. Option 5 none of these. The correct answer is option 3 Indian Oil Corporation IOC. The next question is under which scheme financial support of Rs 15 lakh will be provided for one-time treatment of rare disease as per the National Draft Policy on Rare Disease. Option 1 Prime Minister Jiban Jyoti Bima Yojana. Option 2 Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana. Option 3 राष्ट्रीय आरोग्य निधि स्कीम. ऑप्शन 4 श्रमिक आरोग्य निधि योजना. ऑप्शन 5 none of this. The correct answer is option 3 राष्ट्रीय आरोग्य निधि scheme. The next question is who was appointed as the chairman of 11-member committee constituted to draft the national water policy. Option 1 Dr. Mihir Shah. Option 2 Shashi Shekhar. Option 3 Ramesh Chandra Panda. Option 4 Tushar Shah. Option 5 none of these. The correct answer is option 1 Dr. Mihir Shah. The next question is which country has appointed Mikhail Vladimirovich Mishustin as Prime Minister on January 16, 2020. Option 1 China. Option 2 Russia. Option 3 Japan. Option 4 Germany. Option 5 none of this. The correct answer is number 2 Russia. The next question is name the Indian cricketer who has awarded as the ODI Cricketer of the Year for the first time in 16th edition of ICC Awards 2019. Option 1 MS Dhoni. Option 2 Rohit Guruknath Sharma. Option 3 Virat Kohli. Option 4 Shikhar Dhawan. Option 5 none of these. The correct answer is option 2 Rohit Gurunath Sharma. The next question is who heads the special investigation team that probed the 1984 anti-Sheikh riots cases? Option 1 P.B. Gajendra Gadkar. Option 2 Meher Chandra Mahajan. Option 3 S.N. Dhingra. Option 4 Bijan Kumar Mukherjee. Option 5 none of this. The correct answer is option 3 S.N. Dhingra. The next question is in which Air Force station India's first Sukhoi 30 fighter squadron will be inducted? Option 1 Kochi, Kerala. Option 2 Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. Option 3 Bengaluru, Karnataka. Option 4 Thanjavur, Tamil Nadu. Option 5 none of these. The correct answer is option 4 Thanjavur, Tamil Nadu. TN. The next question is, name the Indian telecommunication satellite that was launched from Guyana Space Center, France, Guyana, South Africa to provide high quality television, telecommunications and broadcasting services. Option 1 Fast GSAT-30. Second option GSAT-31. Third option GSAT-32. Fourth option GSAT-33. Option 5 none of these. The correct answer is option 1 GSAT-30. The next question is, name the villages of Uttar Pradesh that is said to become India's first model sports villages as a part of Adarsh Khel Gram program of Institute of Management Technology IMT Ghaziabad, UP, along with non-governmental organization Sports a Way of Life. Option 1 Kisarua and Sandhau. Option 2 Hansigunj and Zirawalia. Option 3 Ughaiti and Mozampur. Option 4 Bahadurpur and Khiriviran. Option 5 Ughaiti and Sandhau. The correct answer is option 4 Bahadurpur and Khiriviran. The next question is, what is the gross domestic product of India for the year 2019-20 as per United Nations World Economic Situation and Prospects 2020 report? Option 1 5.5%, option 2 5.7%, option 3 5.3%, option 4 5.1%, option 5 5.2%. The correct answer is number 2 5.7%. The next question is, what is the theme of the 10th edition of World Future Energy Summit 2020? Option 1 theme Rethinking Global Consumption, Production and Investment. Theme 2 Number 2 theme Embracing the Future, Welcoming Disruption. Option 3 theme Driving the Global Energy Transformation. Option 4 theme Valuing Energy Storage for Off-Grid Renewable Energy Systems. Option 5 is theme Smart Energy Products and Technologies. The correct answer is option 1 theme Rethinking Global Consumption, Product and Investment. The next question is, name the largest airborne exercise conducted by Indian Army in the Northeastern Theater recently. Option 1 Asia Warrior. Option 2 Winged Rider. Option 3 Shatrujit. Option 4 Himalayan Warrior. Option 5 Emerald Mercury. The correct answer is option 2 Winged Rider. The next question is, who was appointed as the new Vice Chief of Army Staff? Option 1 Satinder Kumar Saini. Option 2 Abhay Krishna. Option 3 Devraj Anbo. Option 4 Shirish Mathusson. Option 5 Ranbir Singh. The correct answer is option 1 Satinder Kumar Saini. The next question is, what was the theme of the 28th edition of New Delhi World Book Fair 2020? Option 1 theme Indigenous Voices, Mapping India's Folk and Tribal Literature. Theme 2 Option 2 theme Gandhi, the Writer's Writer. Option 3 theme books for readers with special needs. Option 4 theme towards 100 years of Indian cinema. Option 5 theme Katha Sagarat celebrating children's literature. The correct answer is option 2 theme Gandhi the writer's writer. Next question is what is the rank of India as per the World Economic Forum report, the Global Social Mobility Report 2020, Equality, Opportunity and a New Economic Imperative. Option 1 17th, option 2 74th, option 3 76th, option 4 78th, option 5 80th. The correct answer is option 3 76. Next question is which Indian city is connected with Biratnagar of Nepal through second integrated checkpost inaugurated by Prime Minister of India Sri Narendra Modi along with the PM of Nepal Sri Khatka Prasad Sharma Oli. Option 1 Purnia Bihar, option 2 Begusarai Bihar, option 3 Jogbani Bihar, option 4 Darbhanga Bihar, option 5 Saharasa Bihar. The correct answer is option 3 Jogbani Bihar. Next question is what is the gross domestic product GDP growth of India for the year 2019 as per the International Monetary Fund IMF revised from 6.1% on January 2020. Option 1 4.8%, option 2 5.7%, option 3 5%, option 4 5.5%, option 5 5.2%. The correct answer is option 1 4.8%. The next question is who was appointed as the managing director MD of the State Bank of India for a period of 3 years on January 2020. Option 1 Ranjesh Kumar, option 2 Salla Srini Basalu Setti, option 3 Dinesh Kumar Khara, option 4 PK Gupta, option 5 Arijit Basu. The correct answer is option 2 Salla Srini Basalu Setti. The next question is who was appointed as the managing director and chief executive officer CEO of Bank of Baroda on January 2020. Option 1 P.S. Jayakumar, option 2 S.L. Jain, option 3 Vikramaditya Singh Khisri, option 4 Murali Ramaswamy, option 5 Sanjeev Sada. The correct answer is option 5 Sanjeev Sada. Next question is name the first state in India that implemented agriculture land leasing policy recently. Option 1 Maharashtra, option 2 Uttarakhand, option 3 Assam, option 4 Gujarat, option 5 West Bengal. The correct answer is option 2 Uttarakhand. The next question is who will chair the National Startup Advisory Council that will provide measures to build a strong ecosystem for new innovations and startups in India. Option 1 Prakash Javadekar, option 2 Suresh Prabhakar Prabhu, option 3 Piyush Vedprakash Goyal, Option 3 Nitin Gadkari. Option 5 Nirmala Sitharaman. The correct answer is option 3 Piyush Vedprakash Goyal. Next question is, what is the capital of the newly merged Union Territory UT Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu? Option 1 Daman, option 2 Diu, option 3 Dadra, option 4 Nagar Haveli, option 5 Silvacha. The correct answer is option 1 Daman. The next question is, where did Minister of External Affairs MEA Sri Subramaniam Jaishankar inaugurated the first convention center in Africa? Mahatma Gandhi Convention Center MGICC. Option 1 Rwanda, option 2 Mali, option 3 Niger, option 4 Benin, option 5 Republic of Chad. The correct answer is option 3 Niger. The next question is, name the first Indian telecom operator that has recently launched UPI payments space. Option 1 Tata Indicom, option 2 Idea Cellular, option 3 Bharti Airtel Limited, option 4 Reliance Jio, option 5 Vodafone Idea. The correct answer is option 4 Reliance Jio. The next question is, name the first woman and 13th president of Greek who has elected on January 22, 2020. Option 1 Marietta Giannakou, option 2 Anna Diamantopoulou, option 3 Katerina Sekelar-Poulou, option 4 Maria Damanaki, option 5 Maria Ithoimio. The correct answer is option 3 Katerina Sakeloro-Poulipo. Next question is, what is the rank of India in the Economist Intelligence Unit EIU 12th edition of the Democracy Index 2019? A year of democratic setbacks and popular protest. Option 1 45, option 2 51 first, option 3 49, option 4 40, option 5 55. The correct answer is option number 2 51 first. The next question is, name the Indian city that hosts the 3rd edition of Khelo India Youth Games KIYG 2020. Option 1 Chennai, Tamil Nadu, option 2 Mumbai, Maharashtra, option 3 Bhubaneswar, Orissa, option 4 New Delhi, Delhi, option 5 Guwahati, Assam. The correct answer is option 5 Guwahati, Assam. The next question is, where did East Coast Railway ECOR commissioned Indian Railways first and India's fourth waste to energy plant? Option 1 Mumbai, Maharashtra, option 2 Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh, option 3 Guwahati, Assam, option 4 Bhubaneswar, Orissa, option 5 New Delhi, Delhi. The correct answer is option number 4 Bhubaneswar, Orissa. The next question is, in which city government of India will set up India's first war memorial for service animals such as dogs, horse, mules? Option 1 Hyderabad, option 2 Guwahati, Assam, option 3 Mumbai, Maharashtra, option 4 New Delhi, Delhi, option 5 Meerut, Uttar Pradesh, UP. The correct answer is option 5 Meerut, Uttar Pradesh, UP. The next question is, what is the maximum voluntary investment limit that can invested by the foreign portfolio investors FPIs through the voluntary retention route BRR? Option 1 raise 5 lakhs crore, option 2 raise 3 lakh 50,000 crore, option 3 raise 2 lakh crore, option 4 raise 1 lakh 50,000 crore, option 5 raise 1 lakh crore. The correct answer is option 4 raise 1 lakh 50,000 crore. The next question is, which bank has launched India's first multilingual voice enabled mobile banking application all in one, using which users can communicate with the chat bot Ask Lakshmi for their general banking queries? Option 1 Bank of Baroda BOB, option 2 City Union Bank CUB, option 3 State Bank of India SBI, option 3 Canara Bank, option 5 Axis Bank. The correct answer is option 2 City Union Bank CUB. Next question is, who was appointed as the panel member of the advisory board for banking frauds ABBF of Central Vigilance Commission CVC on January 24, 2020? Option 1 Binit Anand, option 2 Anindo Majumdar, option 3 ADM Savali, option 4 Nanak Sant, option 5 Sanjeev Kumar. The correct answer is option 5 Sanjeev. The correct answer is option 3 ADM Savali. The next question is, who will chair the group of ministers GOM constituted by the Government of India to handle the disposal of enemy properties and to raise money from them? Option 1 Nitin Gadkari, option 2 Nirmala Sitharaman, option 3 Rajnath Singh, option 4 Amit Shah, option 5 Narendra Modi. The correct answer is option 4 Amit Shah. Next question is, what is the rank of India in Transparency International's Corruption Perception Index 2019? Option 1 70, option 2 75, option 3 80, option 4 85, and option 5 72 second. The correct answer is option 3 80. The next question is, name the Indian Space Research Organization ISRO's half humanoid robot that is set for an unmanned trip into space before astronauts. Option 1 Bikash Mitra, option 2 Baya Mitra, option 3 Dax Mitra, option 4 Bayom Mitra, option 5 Surya Mitra. The correct answer is number 4 Bayom Mitra. The next question is, which country will train the Indian flight surgeons for Gaganyaan mission? Option 1 China, option 2 France, option 3 Russia, option 4 United States, option 5 United Kingdom, The correct answer is number 2, France. The next question is, where was the India's first e-waste clinic inaugurated? Option 1, Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. Option 2, New Delhi, Delhi. Option 3, Pune, Maharashtra. Option 4, Mumbai, Maharashtra. Option 5, Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh. The correct answer is option 1, Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. The next question is, who was elected as the new chair of the firm of the election management bodies of South Asia FEMBOSA for the year 2020? Option 1, Rajiv Mehrishi. Option 2, Om Prakash Rawat. Option 3, Achal Kumar Jyoti. Option 4, Ashok Lavasa. Option 5, Sunil Arora. The correct answer is option 5, Sunil Arora.